In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com as a CRM/CRM software for small business, Monday.com tutorial. Whether you're brand new to Monday.com or just looking to streamline your sales process, we'll set up a clean, trackable space to manage leads and deals in just a few clicks. First, head to your home area in Monday.com. Home is your launchpad. It gathers your most important boards and suggested next steps, and it's the quickest place to spin up new workspaces. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, and if you work with a team, that you're in the workspace where you want your CRM to live. Next, look for the small plus icon beside your main workspace. This button is your shortcut to creating something new. Clicking it opens options like new boards, docs, and, most importantly for us, ready-made templates. If you don't see the plus, you may be in a view that hides it, or you might need permissions. Switch to the main workspace or check with an admin. From that menu, choose Template Center. The Template Center curates best practice setups you can add in seconds, so you don't have to build a CRM from scratch. Here, everything is grouped by use case, with previews that show you sample columns, automations, and dashboards. Using a template is reversible and customizable, so you can adapt it to your sales process as you go. To get started fast, pick the lead management template. This option is great if you want to capture prospects at the earliest stage. Think new inquiries, form submissions, or cold outreach, and move them through qualification. You'll typically see columns for contact details, lead source, status, priority, and owner, plus views that help you spot new leads at a glance. It's ideal for teams that generate a lot of top-of-funnel interest and need clarity on follow-up. Alternatively, choose the sales pipeline template for an immediate sales-ready setup. This template focuses on active opportunities with stages like discovery, demo, proposal, and closed. You'll usually find deal value, expected close date, probability, and pipeline stage, which makes forecasting and revenue tracking straightforward. It's a strong fit if your leads are already qualified and you want to visualize movement from stage to stage. That's it. By navigating to home, using the plus icon, and opening the template center, you can launch either lead management or a full sales pipeline